Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast, the place where we grow your confidence and fluency step by step. I'm so glad you're here today. Whether you're walking, working, or relaxing, thank you for spending a few minutes with me. In today's episode, we're diving into 3 powerful daily habits that will help you improve your English, even if you're busy, tired, or feel stuck. These habits are simple. They don't take a lot of time, but they can make a big difference if you practice them every day. Ready? Let's jump right in. Habit number 1. Talk to yourself in English. 7 minutes. I know, this sounds strange, but it works. You don't need a partner to practice speaking. You can practice right now, just by talking to yourself. Let me explain how. Imagine you're in the kitchen making tea. Say out loud, "I'm boiling water. I'm putting sugar in my cup. I forgot the milk again." This helps your brain connect English with daily actions. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'm going to the market. I forgot my bag at home. I want to improve my English. Good job. Here's a little challenge for today. Pick 3 times when you're alone, maybe brushing your teeth, walking outside, or washing dishes, and talk to yourself for just 1 minute each time. If you do that every day, your mouth will get used to forming English words. That's real practice. Habit number 2. The 5-minute listening rule, 8 minutes, every day. Yes, every single day. Listen to English for 5 minutes. You can choose a short podcast, a YouTube video, a song you love, or this podcast, of course. Why is this important? Because listening trains your ears to understand the rhythm, stress, and natural sound of English. You don't have to understand everything. Try this exercise. Listen to your favorite English song. Don't worry about lyrics. Just enjoy the melody and pronunciation. Then ask yourself, what words do I recognize? Can I guess the meaning? Can I copy how they pronounce certain phrases? After listening, write down just 3 new words or phrases. Don't write 20. That's too much. Just 3. Make them part of your vocabulary. Try this right now. I'll play a short sentence. Try to repeat it. It takes time to learn a language. Now you say it. It takes time to learn a language. Excellent. Habit number 3. Learn a sentence, not just a word. 7 minutes. Memorizing single words is okay, but it's not enough. Let's say you learn the word fast. That's fine. But how do you use it? Instead, learn full sentences. Like, he is a fast runner. This train is very fast. I like fast food, but it's not healthy. Now you know how the word is used in different situations. You learn grammar, vocabulary, and context all at once. Let's try another one. Word. Understand. Sentence. I don't understand this question. Repeat after me. I don't understand this question. Great. Daily challenge. Write 1 useful sentence each day in your notebook. Make it real. Make it about your life. For example, I'm learning English because I want to travel. My goal is to speak fluently in 1 year. These are your sentences. That makes them easier to remember. Recap plus challenge. 2 minutes. Let's go over the 3 habits again. Talk to yourself in English. Speak about your day, even simple things. Listen to English for 5 minutes. Make it a daily routine, like brushing your teeth. Learn 1 sentence a day. Not just words, sentences that show meaning and structure. Today's challenge for you. Talk to yourself for 1 minute while doing something simple. Listen to 5 minutes of English audio or video. Write or repeat 1 useful sentence. Do this for 7 days, and I promise, you will feel the improvement. Closing. 1 to 2 minutes. If you enjoyed this episode, please follow the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others find us, and it keeps this podcast going. Also, share this episode with a friend who's learning English too. Let's grow together. And remember, learning English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be consistent. Step by step, you're getting closer to fluency. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up. Until next time, this is the English Learning Podcast. You've got this. Party Popper.